Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some seriously underrated marvels of the human body. Facts that'll make you appreciate the machine you live in a whole lot more. We're talking about the incredible feats of strength, the constant renewal, and the invisible forces that make us tick. Get ready to be amazed because things are about to get wonderfully weird. Let's get into the wonders of the human body. Alright science fans, let's talk bones. You might think of them as dry, brittle things, but let me tell you, your skeleton is a masterpiece of engineering. It's strong, it's flexible, and it's way tougher than you think. We're talking stronger than concrete, folks. Imagine a cubic inch of bone. That's like a little sugar cube of skeleton. It can withstand a load of over 8,000 pounds. That's like balancing 4 cars on something the size of your thumbnail. And pound for pound, bones even got steel beat. This incredible strength comes from bone's unique structure. It's this amazing honeycomb-like network of collagen fibers and minerals, mainly calcium phosphate, all woven together. This combination makes it incredibly strong under pressure, able to support your weight, help you move, and protect your vital organs. So next time you take a tumble, remember, your skeleton's a quiet powerhouse, always there to keep you safe. Now, have you ever wondered how your stomach handles all the crazy stuff we eat? Well, get this. Your stomach is basically a self-renewing machine. It's one of the most dynamic organs in your body, constantly churning and breaking down food. But here's the catch. Your stomach is filled with hydrochloric acid. This stuff is seriously powerful, strong enough to dissolve metal. I mean, we're talking about the same stuff that can eat through iron. So how does your stomach not digest itself? Well, it's constantly renewing its lining. Every 3 to 4 days, your stomach gets a brand new interior. It's like redecorating your house every week, but way more efficient. This amazing process is crucial for digestion. The new lining protects your stomach walls from the acid and enzymes that break down your food. And it's a good thing too, because without this constant renewal, our stomachs would literally digest themselves from the inside out. Now that's metal. Now you're about to hear something that might sound like science fiction, but I promise you, it's 100% real. Humans glow. You heard that right, we emit light. Now before you go looking in the mirror expecting a blinding radiance, this glow is very faint. In fact, it's about 1,000 times weaker than what our human eyes can pick up. But just because we can't see it, doesn't mean it's not there. Scientists call this phenomenon bioluminescence, and it's all thanks to our metabolism. As our cells work, they release tiny amounts of light particles called photons. This glow actually peaks in the late afternoon and is linked to our circadian rhythms, those internal clocks that regulate our sleep-wake cycles. So, technically, you're glowing all the time. It's just too faint for us to see. But hey, who needs a nightlight when you've got your own built-in glow? Now let's talk about the command center, the big cheese, the organ that makes you, your brain. It's no secret that the brain is a complex and powerful organ, but you might be surprised to learn just how much energy this 3-pound marvel consumes. Now your brain only makes up about 2% of your body weight. That's like a single grape compared to a whole watermelon. But here's the kicker. This little grape uses a whopping 20% of your total energy. That's more than any other organ in your body. Think about it. Your heart's pumping, your lungs are breathing, your muscles are moving you around, but your brain is still hogging the power, and it needs all that energy to function. We're talking about roughly 20 watts of power, about the same as an energy-efficient light bulb. That's right. Your brain is basically a light bulb that never turns off. Even while you sleep, it's busy processing memories, clearing out waste products, and dreaming up weird and wonderful stories. So next time you flip on a light switch, remember the incredible power constantly buzzing away inside your head. Now get ready for a dose of reality that might make you squirm a little. You are not alone. In fact, you're a walking, talking ecosystem, home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Now before you run for the hand sanitizer, know this. Most of these little guys are your friends. They make up what's called your microbiome, and they're essential to keeping you alive and thriving. For a long time, scientists thought we had way more bacterial cells than human cells, like 10 times more. But the latest research says it's closer to a 1-to-1 ratio. Still, that's a lot of bacteria. These microbes are everywhere. On your skin, in your gut, even in your mouth. And they're not just freeloading. They're hard at work, helping you digest food, boost your immune system, and even influence your mood. They're like tiny little chefs, bodyguards, and therapists all rolled into one. So, next time you're feeling lonely, just remember, you've got trillions of microscopic buddies hanging out with you, 24/7. So guys, next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just flesh and bone. You're a regenerating, glowing, super strong, bacteria-hosting powerhouse with a light bulb brain. Pretty amazing, right? Your body is a symphony of complex processes happening every second, keeping you alive and kicking. It's a testament to the power of evolution and a source of endless fascination for science enthusiasts like me. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and let me know in the comments which body fact blew your mind the most. Until next time, stay curious.